So Reflections is born out of the community's voice. For years, TransLink consulted with the communities, informed the whole decision-making process that has led us to this work today. Reflections is the Boyne Bridge. It's a celebration of the work that went into creating those steel structures. It gives the Boyne Bridge an opportunity to actually be sited here forever.
I first came across the Boyne Bridge and I was just fascinated by the structure, by the strength, by the rivets, how it all came together. And I think it's important to kind of recognise the history, but also the industrial past as well.
From the very start, Belfast Grand Central Station, it's been more than just a transport hub, it's been about a central hub for the community. We're reflecting into the new station, which is the sense of the future, and allowing Belfast to be proud of its past and also knowing what the future holds.
So the first thing you see are the old repurposed girders from the bridge, old street furniture, so the lights, and they've been reinstated here. I actually think it's really nice and it's going to be a talking point for visitors and for locals in this area.
Yeah, it's quite an impressive sculpture. Just to have something like the Boyne Bridge as part of the community for so many years, but just here in a different format, it is really, really good.
I think it's amazing the way they built it. And it's really good for people to see like who they are, like see themselves in the mirror.
We, the Golden Thread Gallery, hope when people are leaving Grand Central Station, they're going to have time to go and reflect on the journey they've been on and where they're going to next, and hopefully provide a wonderful reminder that the past isn't forgotten.